Oukitel, a Chinese phone company, has over 13 years of experience in the budget phone manufacturing industry and has established itself as one of the biggest players in the industry. Apart from its durable devices, the company is also famous for installing powerful batteries in their smartphones. Of late, they have launched phones with some of the largest battery capacity in the world. And today we present you Oukitel WP9. The world's premiere date of the WP9 will be the 2nd of June to 19th June. The early bid price will be only $159.99 from the 2nd of June to 19th June. The first 300 buyers will get the free TVS earphones. The official Oukitel website is holding a giveaway now. The winners will be announced on 14th June. The new Oukitel WP9 model brings the 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM memory to run apps faster. It can be expandable to 256GB, so you can save massive movies or photos. You are secured for up to 48 hours with a huge 8000 mAh battery and 80 watts quick charge features as well. WP9 will kill your low battery anxiety. It can serve the enormous 8000 mAh capacity power bank to lend your juice to another device on the go. The phone is IP68 rated, which means it is waterproof at a depth of 1 meter for up to incredibly 24 hours. It also passed standard military tests to achieve MIL-STD 110G certifications. Paired with a 60 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera, WP9 enables you to take best photos in your hand, capture the world smartly with the AI scene recognition technology. And in the end, I have to mention that Oukitel is running another amazing giveaway to give to 10 of their fans with brand new WP9 budget phones. To enter in their latest Oukitel giveaway, grab your free entries by following the few simple steps listed below. Official Oukitel links are down below the video. Feel free to visit them and grab your new WP9 smartphone just for yourself. Good luck everyone, see you soon with a new video, bye!